So we're gonna be making
Play-doh!
Hi everyone, so today I got some special guests joining.
Hi, my name is Tia and I'm Cece's cousin.
Hi, my name is Stella and I'm also Celine's cousin. First we're gonna start off, we need a quarter cup of salt and 1/4 cup of flour.
And 1 tablespoon with vegetable oil.
And one packet of cream of tartar.
Okay, let's start.
First we start by adding the full cup of flour. Then we add the salt.
And then 1 packet of cream of tartar.
Pour a 1/2 cup of warm water slowly.
Now we're gonna mix it with our hands.
We're gonna add some food coloring in.
After we kept mixing it with our hands, now it's ready to play with.
Now our Play-Doh is ready! Now we're gonna show you how to make slime. Are you ready, girls?
Yeah.
For the slime, first we'll start by pouring glue into our bowls.
Now we're gonna add some baking soda.
Now we're gonna add a little bit of eye contact solution.
Food coloring or paint if you want it to be colorful.
So keep mixing until you feel like you can get it out and use your hands.
And now our slime is ready.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you, Tia and Stella, for joining this video.
Please subscribe or put the thumbs up button.